Foods will help you keep uric acid at normal levels. When you eat the right diet, you ensure that your chances of falling ill are next to none. This also stands true for ailments like gout, where eating foods for high uric acid can bring some relief. If you have higher than normal uric acid, then eating more fruits, whole grains, and certain beverages can help in reducing them. In this video we will tell you about 6 foods for high uric acid that can help lower levels naturally. Number 1. Green tea. Who said that green tea is only good for weight loss? Several studies prove that green tea extracts can lower uric acid production in the body, thus making it a good beverage for those who suffer from gout or have high levels of uric acid in their blood. Number 2. Citrus fruits. Fruits like oranges and lemons are a rich source of vitamin C and citric acid. Including these foods can help you maintain healthy uric acid levels in the body, since they can efficiently flush out the excess. Number 3. Coffee. A study published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition found that the risk of gout decreased when the participants consumed coffee. However, if you have other conditions as well, then consult your doctor before including coffee in your diet. Number 4. Bananas. If you have developed gout because of high uric acid, then having a banana every day can reduce lower uric acid in your blood, thereby reducing your risk of gout attacks. Bananas are naturally very low in purine, a natural compound that breaks down into uric acid, thus making it a good choice for you. Number 5. Apples. Apples have a high dietary fiber content, which helps in lowering uric acid levels. Fiber absorbs uric acid from the bloodstream and eliminates the excess uric acid from your body. Moreover, apples are also rich in malic acid, which tends to neutralize the effects of uric acid in the body. Number 6. Cherries. If you want to pick just one food out from this list, then choose cherries. Cherries have a natural anti-inflammatory component called anthocyanins, which reduces uric acid levels. A study published in the journal Arthritis and Rheumatology found that people who had cherries showed lower risk of gout attack compared to those who didn't. By reducing the inflammation, cherries also prevent uric acid from crystallizing and depositing in your joints, which is the main cause behind the gout. Number 7. Dark chocolate. Theobromine is an alkaloid that is similar in structure to caffeine, which mainly found in the cocoa bean. It is also at the highest content level in dark chocolates. Theobromine alkaloid is very helpful to reduce high uric acid levels, as it can help relax the bronchial muscles of lungs. The studies have also shown that it is more effective than codeine, another type of alkaloid, in relieving coughing. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment and subscribe. If you found this video helpful, please share this video on your social media sites, such as Facebook, Google, or Twitter, so more people can see it.